이런 씬을 찍을 때 어떻게 해야겠다라고 생각하고 하는 게 아니기 때문에
And every
기억이 나지 않습니다.
And every time I film or shoot this kissing scenes, I really don't like have this certain way paano ako mag-kiss. I just really go on with the flow of the story. I don't really...
So, wala siyang memory, ano? Then, the next question is, which kiss scene took the most takes to get right? And how many takes?
NG가 많이 났던 거는 그 무중력 키스 씬 NG가 많이 났습니다.
Yung pinakamarami talaga yung retakes was the one I had to do with zero gravity.
Sabi na.
Test.
근데 자꾸 위치가 안 맞아가지고
Kasi hindi ko talaga makuha-kuha yung location. Hindi kayo makatugma.
Medyo mahirap yun, no? Ganun-ganun sila. Tama. That's good. Are you satisfied with his answers? Alright, thank you so much. Now we've seen Minho's Guide to Romance featuring not just Kung Yong, but in various unforgettable characters portrayed by Minho. He never fails to awaken our romantic senses with his roles. Now,